Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Nutrition. If you've ever felt confused by what eating healthy actually means, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm giving you straightforward, realistic, and actually doable tips to help you maintain a healthy diet without losing your mind. Maintaining a healthy diet is about making informed food choices and building sustainable eating habits that promote overall well-being. Here's a detailed guide on how to maintain a healthy diet. Eat a variety of foods. No single food provides all the nutrients your body needs. Include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats daily. Vary your choices within each food group. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Replace white rice, pasta, and bread with brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, or oats. Increase fruit and vegetable intake. Rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, and low in calories. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. Eat a rainbow of colors to get a range of nutrients. Choose lean proteins. Protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and more. Include chicken, fish, beans, tofu, eggs, and nuts. Limit red and processed meats. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats support brain function and cell growth. Use olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried and processed foods. Limit sugar and salt. High intake increases risk of chronic diseases. Avoid sugary drinks, sweets, and salty snacks. Read nutrition labels and choose low sodium, low sugar options. Stay hydrated. Water supports every system in your body. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Limit sugary drinks and caffeine. Practice mindful eating. Helps prevent overeating and improves digestion. Eat slowly and without distractions. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Plan and prepare meals. Planning and preparing meals helps you control ingredients and portion sizes. Cook at home more often. Prepare meals in advance to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Watch portion sizes. Watching portion sizes helps control calorie intake and maintain weight. Use smaller plates. Avoid eating straight from the package.